Welcome to the Applicant Worksheets How-To video series, presented by FEMA's Public Assistance Training section. In this series of 7 videos, we explain where and how to obtain FEMA Public Assistance Applicant Worksheets, as well as how to record information accurately on 6 specific worksheets. This is part 2 of the series. In this part, we demonstrate how to fill in the Applicant Benefits Calculation Worksheet. The Applicant's Benefits Calculation Worksheet is one of the first worksheets to fill out. Most applicants have to rely on their Financial or Human Resources Department for help in completing this form, and it may take some time as you research the various fringe benefits and costs it includes. Let's take a look at the worksheet next. If you'd like, feel free to open the copy of this worksheet you downloaded in the previous video and follow along there. This is the Applicant's Benefits Calculation Worksheet. For discussion purposes, this worksheet has 4 main sections: the header, the regular time section, the overtime section, and the comments and certification section. The Applicant's Benefits Calculation Worksheet can be completed for an organization, with all employees averaged, for a department within an organization, with all department employees averaged, or for an individual. In the header section, you will fill out 4 boxes: Applicant, PAID number, disaster, and project number. In the Applicant box, put the name of your organization. The PAID, or Public Assistance Identification Number, is permanently assigned to your organization by the FEMA Public Assistance Program. It is available in FEMA's Grants Portal application or from your recipient or FEMA representative. The next box is the FEMA disaster number under which you are requesting funding. Typically, this begins with the letters DR or EM, followed by a hyphen, 4 digits, and a short abbreviation for your state or tribe. The project number refers to the project for which you are requesting reimbursement. Use the one given to you by your FEMA representative, or, if one is not available, use your own project number that corresponds to the work performed. The next section to fill out is the regular time fringe benefits column. When completing this column for an organization, with all employees averaged, the organization's total cost for each fringe benefit will be divided by the organization's overall annual salary. When completing this column for a department, with all department employees averaged, the department's total cost for each fringe benefit will be divided by the department's overall annual salary. When completing this column for an individual, the cost for each fringe benefit is divided by the individual employee's annual base salary. The percentage for holidays is based on the number of standard paid holidays employees receive per year. The percentage for vacation leave is based on the number of paid vacation days employees receive per year. The percentage for sick leave is based on the number of paid sick leave days employees receive per year. The percentage for Social Security at this time is 6.2% of the annual salary. The standard percentage for Medicare at this time is 1.45% of the annual salary. For unemployment, most states require a sum to be paid into a state unemployment insurance fund for unemployment benefits. Typically, this averages 1.4% of the annual salary. The percentage for workers' compensation should reflect the cost of annual workers' compensation insurance premiums. Typically, this averages 1.3% of the annual salary. The percentage for retirement typically averages 3.5% of the annual salary. The percentage for health insurance typically averages 7.5% of the annual salary. The percentage for life insurance typically averages 0.1% of the annual salary. The percentage for other would reflect any costs the applicant incurs that relate to labor costs and are not already covered above. Please consult with your recipient or FEMA representative for more information. In the total at the bottom, add all the regular time percentages together. This percentage will be used in the Force Account Labor Summary Record. The next section to fill out is the Overtime Fringe Benefits column. Overtime fringe benefits are very different from regular time fringe benefits. Normally, the only eligible overtime fringe benefits are ones the applicant pays due to the extra hours and the employees see an extra benefit. Let's start with holidays, vacation leave, and sick leave. These are typically zero, as employees do not usually get extra holidays, vacation leave, or sick leave just because they received overtime pay. Next is Social Security. The Social Security percentage for overtime is currently 6.2% of the annual salary. The Medicare percentage for overtime is currently 1.45% of the annual salary. Next are unemployment and workers' compensation. Most unemployment and workers' compensation premiums are based on base salaries and not normally included in overtime fringe benefits. However, speak with your recipient or FEMA representative if based on total payroll, as these might be eligible for overtime fringe benefits. Next is retirement. Employees normally do not get extra retirement based on overtime. However, speak with your recipient or FEMA representative if based on total payroll, as it might be eligible for overtime fringe benefits. Next are health and life insurance benefits. These are typically zero, as employees normally do not get extra health or life insurance benefits based on overtime. The last row, Other, is for any costs the applicant incurs related to labor costs and not already covered above. Please consult with your recipient or FEMA representative for possible other eligible fringe benefits. In the total at the bottom, add all the overtime percentages together. This percentage will be used in the Force Account Labor Summary record. The last sections to fill out are the comments and certification sections. At the bottom of the worksheet, include any clarifying comments. This could be the name of a department if filling out for a specific department, or an employee name if filling out for an individual. Next, provide the name and title of the person certifying these numbers, as well as the date certified. Finally, be certain to save the completed form to your local computer or network. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the Applicant's Benefits Calculation Worksheet. This is one of the public assistance documents you as an applicant will upload to FEMA using the Grants Portal site. To learn more about Grants Portal, FEMA offers other classes, webinars, and manuals. You can also contact the Grants Manager and Portal hotline at 866-337-8448 or email FEMA-recovery-PA-grants@fema.dhs.gov for additional support. Thank you for watching.